Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to Custom Ventures. I have a little bit of a different video today. Today I have 10 cases for the Airpods Pro. I'll be doing a drop test on them. We're dropping them from about 20 feet onto straight concrete. We'll see how they survive. All right, let's get going. All right, so these are the first three cases we'll be dropping right now. The Native Union Curve case, Silicon Airpods Pro, the Spigen one, and the UAG Hyper Rugged one. All right, we're gonna start with this one. It's just a little thin silicon one. Ready? Go. Oh.
This part looks pretty clean. Backs kind of messed up. Got a lot of scuff marks. They rub off.
All right, the next case we got going is the Spigen Airpods Pro one right here. Nice looking case, fake carbon fiber, all silicon. Let's see how it does. Okay, next one we got the Spigen one. This one is pretty strong. I think it would do pretty good, but we're trying it. Ready, set, go. Jeez.
All right, once again, the bottom half stays on. The top is pretty scuffed up. Inside's totally fine. It's clean. Actual AirPods are fine. And case looks to be fine as well.
All right, so here are our next contestants. We got the Elgato waterproof hanging case right here, the Elgato leather case. I still haven't dropped this one yet. We're gonna wait for a little bit because I know this one's a big strong one and a lot of people want to see. This is just a generic one from Amazon. All right, we'll be dropping this one next. All right, here we go. Oh, that one did pretty good.
Oh, not too bad. Alright, pretty good shape. Inside's clean. Put that back in. They look good. It's only one scuff right there that won't come out. Other than that, they're just fine.
Okay, next one we got, we're gonna do the genuine leather Elgato case. Pretty nice looking case. I don't know how protective it'll be, but we'll see down there. Oh, that doesn't match up. If we move it, but it should work. Got the pots in there. All right. Whoa! That did not break apart.
All right, these stayed in the whole time. Good shape. Everything's intact. Nothing messed up here.
Alright, so here are the rest of the cases. We still need to drop this one, the Elgato waterproof case. We got the Elgato liquid hybrid hang case. Pretty solid case. The UAG rough one still. The Pitaka AirPal Mini for the Airpods Pro. This is a $60 Airpods case. It should do extremely well. We got this one I got from Ross. Kind of disgusting looking, but alright, we're just gonna start. We're gonna leave these two for last. Alright, we're gonna start with this one. This one's from Ross. Probably costs like $6. Yeah, that one did not do good.
Oh boy. Alright, these ones are pretty filthy, but most of that rubs off. Both came out. They're both dirty, but
The Elgato waterproof hanging case. This one's pretty legit. I feel like it'll be pretty good, but let's see. Ready, get set. Oh, that was good. That was a good one.
wow. Alright, here's this one. Did pretty good. Now all comes right off. It's fine. It's fine.
All right, next one we got is this is the Elgato slim shell case. I really like this one. This one feels really nice. It's like silicone, but it's still strong. We'll see how protective it really is.
Oh boy. Alright, here's the AirPods, pretty scuffed up. Just the case. Again, scuffed up. But the rest of it's fine. They did okay.
Alright, we got the two ones that I'm very excited for. Alright, we're gonna start with the Pitaka AirPal Mini. This case, it should do pretty well. It's a $60 case, and so I'm pretty sure it's real carbon fiber or air mid fiber, but we'll see how it does. Oh no.
Oh man, so the actual earbud broke. This one's fine. And the carbon fiber's beat up and that's not coming out. For 60 bucks, don't recommend that.
Alright, and we got our final one, the UAG big rugged case, supposed to be water resistant, all sorts of crazy stuff. Alright, let's see how it does. This one you literally press a button on the side and it opens up. It's pretty crazy. But, oh, I put it in backwards. Alright. Ready? This is the big boy. Gosh! That thing blasted. Oh no! No!
Better do good. Thing looks unstoppable. Oh, that's the worst. Alright, so the hinge broke on this. Which isn't good. These are crap. These are okay.
They're okay?
They're pretty scuffed. That's not coming out. And we got another broken one. Oh, they both broke. Not really. And they're both broke.
The hinge snapped.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Off.
The hinge is gone. R.I.P.
I say we do a demolition round. Just. Alright, so now we're doing a demolition round. We're gonna be dropping them from up there. And these ones are already destroyed and everything. We might as well just break them more. Just chuck them straight up and just try to get them to break. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Oh, oh, and the case snapped. Yeah, well, let's just. Okay, carbon fiber, Pitaka one. Oh, jeez. You want to see it again? Okay, the lid is... All right, here you go. You want this one back? Oh, all right, here we go, round two. Oh, jeez. Well, now we know what's inside the Pitaka case. We got some carbon fiber right here, and there's a little plastic hinge. Wow, this was 60 bucks. Oh, jeez. Oh, we got the destruction all over. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's an empty shell of the case of the Airpods. Oh. All right, whatever, we'll clean this up later. Next one. Spigen. Okay, look at all this carnage we got. All right, next one. Okay, that one's from Ross. That is mangled. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah, the hinges just snapped. Eligo? I don't know. Oh, did it survive? It survived. The pod survived. Is this it? Dude, it survived. What in the world? Did better than the freaking $60 case. Oh, the hinge is jacked, but oh, and it's popping out. Oh, crap. Oh, thank goodness it didn't hit the car. No way, did the case survive? Bruh, it survived. Go for it. Holy, that thing, this is the durability king. I thought this thing would be done for. All right, we're checking this one up again.
This one's really coming hard now.
Oh my gosh, what? Oh my, the charging port is jacked. But it's staying in the case.
It's not gonna come out.
Bro, this thing's too strong. The leather's not even that damaged either. All right, well, this is gonna be our champion right here. Wow. Holy crap. Oh no. The lid is popping off. Oh, the buds are broken in there. Jeez. Alright, is that all of them?
Man, demolition round was a success.
Sure was. Alright, let's go over the carnage. We got it all assembled together. So we got the Native Union one from Best Buy, destroyed. The case actually held up pretty well compared to the others, but yeah, it's done. Speaking Airpods Pro, done, just destroyed. Did not work. This leather one by Elago, they did so good. Look at this. There's like zero carnage compared to the other one. The lid still shuts. There's only one broken earbud, and the case, there's hardly any scuffs on the case. We got the Elago waterproof one. This one did surprisingly well too. Just only the case, the top of the lid broke off and the earbuds broke, but other than that, it was pretty good. This is our Ross one. This one had no chance. That thing was gone. Then we got this one, the marble one, didn't do bad. This thing popped up, but it's not doing horrible. All right, then we got this one, the UAG one. Oh my, this is the complete and utter letdown. This lid broke off on the first drop, and everything just got destroyed. It was horrible. Terrible lid. The other case is like, the other part of the case is strong, but the lid is just terrible. Now, for the bust of the year, the Pitaka AirPal Mini for AirPods Pro. First of all, the thing came apart. This isn't like, there's only a little bit of carbon fiber on it, the rest is plastic. What the frick? And then, the whole thing destroyed. Look at these scuffs on this thing. This is a scam. You got the Elago. I can't say it right. The Elago one, this is the hard case, the liquid hybrid hang. It actually did pretty well, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, this is all the carnage. Yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.